Hey everyone, Shadow over here, and today I'll be playing Slime Rancher 2. So let's get right into it. We begin. Yeah, we'll do that. I'm very excited to play this because I played the original. The original was amazing, and they finally brought out the second game. Very excited. Let's get right into it. Let's see. Okay. After a long day of slime ranching, Beatrix LeBeau was enjoying a cool glass of carrot juice as she watched the sun set across the slime sea. Suddenly, a boat arrived at her dock with nothing inside but a mysterious letter. Ooh. Okay. You have explored the far, far range from the dusty shores of the dry reef to the furthest reaches of the pearliest glass desert, but there are worlds yet uncharted. Beatrix LeBeau, Rainbow Island awaits you. Climb aboard if you're ready for a new adventure. Oh, I'm ready. Ooh, okay, this is... Beatrix excitedly boarded the bus, and it took her across the slime sea. Eventually, she saw an island unlike anything on the far, far range. Mountains, trees, and grasses, all in an array of colours that danced and moved like a dream. That looks really nice. Oh, and this is the main... As she explored, she found an abandoned conservatory overlooking the rest of the island. Curiously, it was a crypt with everything a slime rancher like her would ever need to wrangle slimes, start a farm, and build gadgets. Oh, it's very cool. And so a new adventure begins. Beatrix tightened her boots, readied her backpack, and set out to explore Rainbow Island and uncover its mysteries. Oh, it's really nice inside. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, the backpack looks really different. Let's get moving, right? Over the tutorial. With pink slimes. Their coral hue is scientifically proven to be the colour of cheer. How to backpack? Oh, I know how to backpack. Alright. Oh, this looks so nice. With active slime. Okay, slimes are key to your success. Shoot slime through a coral barrier. Yeah, let's go and do that. Oh my god, the graphics and everything looks so nice. The corals look a lot different to the first game. Detailed, nice. Okay. So we have all the different plorts. Are they all the same? I think they're all the same. Okay, there's another pink slime over here. And it's pink slime. Right, mate, let's put you in. There you go. Oh, where's he gone? Why are you going? Oh, in there. There we go. Is there another pink slime? What's this? System offline. Oh god. Is there another pink slime that I'm missing? There's a chicken. Might as well go and feed our pink slimes. Some plorts. Here a slime. Got a pink plort. So I'll head over to the plort market. See how much we get. 7 coins. New bucks again. Yeah, let's get out there. Explore. Okay, where do we even start? What way? Let's go. What's this? I'm guessing this is an area with Dubai, or is this a nice? Yeah, the den. Okay, that's the coins. Where do we go? Do we go this way? Oh my god, this looks so beautiful, this game. Another the archway. Okay, I'm guessing over here then. What's this? The gully. Okay, so that's like, yeah, I'm guessing the cave in this game. We keep the phosphorus slimes. So I guess we're going over here then. Yeah, here we go. Oh god. Let's go. Rainbow fields, shifting colours like a dream, fading just as quickly. We've got some pink slimes. Nice, got some carrots. Nice. Get all them carrots. Get some pink slimes, might as well. Might as well get some pink slimes. Some more. This is the pogo fruits, yeah, pogo fruits. So we've got the pogo fruits. The slime. Oh my, oh my. This is so nice. Oh, the bunny slimes. Cotton slime. A hop, skip, and a jump, and oh, it's gone. Oh, I love it. It's the cotton slimes with the bunny slimes. With bunny slimes. Oh, I love the bunny slimes. Let's get a lot of them. What's this? What's this in GG log? Well, here we are again. I'm sending the drones out to all their original scouting locations. Once I confirm the conditions are the same, I'll get to work. This place, I still remember being in all of these rainbow fields. It felt like being in a beautiful dream. And I guess in a way it was, because it ended much too soon. It is already beautiful. Go with more slimes. Let's see, it's this way. More bunnies. I'll get a lot of these. Oh, here we go, we're doing that. So used to having like the maxed out jetpack, like storage and that. Map data acquired. Discover map, yeah. Look at these bunnies. What's this? What's this? Ooh. That's all pink slimes. What's this? What's this? Water lettuce. The only glass of water that has your daily dose of fibre. Okay. Some thoughts. So what else is this way? Some more pink slimes, more bunny slimes, more carrots. Let's go up here. What's up here? Oh, the phosphor Gordo. Okay. What's this? An upgrade is needed to harvest this. No. What's there? Oh yeah, the fruit. Okay, okay. Oh, yeah, just give him pogo fruit. Let's give him some pogo fruit. Give him all the pogo fruit. Okay, what's up here? What's up here? Okay, more. And we'll see what's over here. This takes us back up to our ranch. Might as well drop off these cotton slimes. Oh. Okay, let's go. With the pink slimes. Let's open up a new coral. There we go. Put all our cotton slimes in here. So they're veggies, okay. Yeah, they're gonna love carrots. Give them all the carrots. Oh, they're so cute. All the carrots. I might as well feed you too. Let's get all these cotton plants. I haven't eaten that carrot. Still a carrot in there. Okay, see, how much does this sell for? A piece, let's see. Oh, they're higher today, it's a 19 new bucks. 140. More carrots. Oh, yeah, of course they are. So, alright, they are bunnies. Getting out, okay. Feed them more. Feed them more. Okay, eat up everyone. What's this? It's the upgrades. I know this is some video. What's down here? Ooh. Oh, this is cool. This is like the lab. Okay. Oh, so yeah, this is the upgrades. Okay. I'm so used to having the jetpack. Yeah, the refinery. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so it's okay. So I remember in the other game you had to buy the expansion to the science lab. So you get it free at the start. Oh, there's a lot in here. Okay. What's out here? Oh my god. There's so much. Oh wow. Beautiful water. Nice. What's that? Oh, boat. The boat? Can we do anything down here? Wow. No, looks like we can't do anything yet. Hopefully we can get on the boat and go somewhere. That's nice. Okay. A pink slime. Let's go and explore more. It's massive. I feel like so much. Let's get more carrots. Okay. Get more bunnies. Okay, let's see what else. What else can we find? More pink slimes. More bunny slimes. So many. Well, let's get more pogo fruit. We want to feed that phosphor Gordo. Okay, what's this? Refinery? Oh yeah, the refinery. Okay, links. Oh, so you can... Oh, okay, so you can... Yeah, you can access it from anywhere. Okay. Cool, cool. Oh, tabby slimes. Tabby slimes. Tabby slimes. Get all the tabby slimes. Need more now. Oh, nice. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, there's so many. More carrots. Okay, what's up here? What's up here? Nothing up here? Just a nice view. Just a beautiful view. Okay, let's go back. There was another way, I believe. It's this way. Is there anything? One more tabby slimes, and whatever this is, like, it's a waterfall looking thing. Need to upgrade. Okay. Oh wait, this is no, I don't want to go back that way yet. Oh, is this? Oh, it's a pink Gordo. If I feed this one, over through. I'm guessing you still get the keys to open up different locations. I might as well just feed it all. It's nearly full. More fruit. Can we get? What's this? Upgrade needed to harvest. Okay, okay. Can we get any more? Is there any more carrots or anything around here? No. No, it's chickens. It's chickens. Chickadoos. What's this? Oh, there's what are they? The cuberries. Yeah, cuberries. Yeah, what's this? It's more like. Oh, this is a map. Okay. Nice. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. It shows like where all the Gordos are. Zoom out more. So there's a lot. Wow. We've got a stony hen. Right, let's go up here. Yeah, let's go to the hens. Okay, let's just go and see them. Feed them these. Where is he? Yeah, how can we get rid of these chickens? Oh, phosphorus limes. More pogo fruit. It wasn't up here, was it? It was back here, I believe. Is it back here? Oh, this was I think we went up here. Yeah, here he is, yeah. Massive pink slime. Must be enough? Yeah, just enough. Nice. Okay, what is it? Okay, a bunch of pink slimes. And what's this? Yeah, oh, what is this? What is that? This gave me. Oh, I guess I'll let you guys have that. It's getting dark, so we might as well get back to the ranch. Yeah, what was that? That was like. I don't know what that was. It gave us some stuff. I'm guessing this was another. Yeah, we're finally. Okay. More carrots. Is the right way? That's so lost. So much. Ooh. Oh, it's so beautiful at night. I can see our ranch in the distance. Oh, probably chickadee. I'm sorry. Let's get some pogo fruit. Oh, this is where the Gordo was. So he loves fruit. Okay. Maybe because I didn't get a key from that. They are like, they block the way instead of getting a key to unlock. You have to defeat them basically, like giving them food. Okay, let's get back. Right, first let's drop off these tabby slimes. I'd like to see a tabby cotton slime. See what it looks like. There's a cat and a bunny mix, we'll see. Come on, eat up. Oh, you missed it. You get it? Ah, oh, that's cute. Look at that Largo. That bunny size. Well, we just throw all them in there. Just rake up so there were loads of them. Okay, let's drop up these while they're more expensive. Cotton bugs. Throw a rooster in there. Okay, let's get in. Sleep for 6 hours. Okay, we'll return. Oh, so you don't do a whole. Okay, yeah, I see. So we're sleeping till morning. There we go. Okay, return. How's everyone doing? Wow, there's a lot of starving slimes. I only have one chicken. Oh my god, there's so many! Well, I did throw a lot of tabbies in there. I think so. No, sorry. Let's put these in. Oh, they're up to 20 today, the plants for the cotton slimes. Feed them. Okay, let's go back out. Or we can go down actually, we'll see if we got how much the upgrades were. I want to see when you can get the jetpack. What's that? I'm so used to having the jetpack. Okay, let's see. Okay, so with harvester, okay. So there's, okay, there's a jetpack. Oh, so you need, yeah, okay, so you need plot, you need radiant ore. So I'm guessing, yeah, you need the harvester for that. Okay, so we have to just get loads of new bucks. Okay. Let's go up. Yeah. Remember the way. Was it this way? I think? Let's get loads of food. This is not the way, the den. Okay, it's up here, I think. I think it's this way. Yeah, it's this way. Oh my god, there's so many. Yeah, it's this way. Okay, nice. It's coming to take some more food. Oh no, they have not grown back. A lot of pink slimes. More bunny slimes. I have to get these carrots. I'm sorry, I just need to take these carrots from you guys. This hen. I wish I could just jetpack over. Okay. Well, they've not grown back. Okay, more pogo fruit. Yeah, we need that. A lot more pogo fruit. It's only hen. No, I don't want the pink plant. Okay, let's go up here. Okay, what's through here? Oh wow, okay, more. What's all this? Is cool. So we're finding new slimes. Is there any new slimes? Carrots? Yeah, maybe we have to get the harvester for that. Okay. Let's go up here. What's over here? Another one of them waterfall things. Okay. Another hen. Right. Let's go. What way have we been? Alright, okay, there's nothing there. This way. Was that the way we came? Is the way we came? I'm getting so lost. It's so big. This way? What's this? Oh, it's a pod. Okay, we can open it. Okay. Well, we got Emerald Cypress. Wait, what's this? You visit the fabricator to build this gadget. Oh, okay. So we can place it down in our ranch, I'm guessing. It does say. Maybe just for a look. Okay. Guys, let's go back. This is this way. So is it this way? Oh, there's a lot of more hens. Oh, what is this way? No, it's not this way. I'll get these hens. Why not? We need more food. We've got some starving slimes back at the ranch. What's this? No, there's nothing. Okay. Oh no, not a tar. Oh no, poor slimes, no. I don't have any, like, I have the water. What's this? Like, geyser. Can this take us? I get water from this? Oh wait. Oh. This takes us up. Well, we might as well go up there then. What's up here? Oh, okay. Get me up there. I'm not even going to try and get up there. I don't think there's anything up there. There's a lot. Oh no, there's a lot of tars. Ah, poor slimes. I'm sorry. Wish I could save you. Yes. Okay, this is like. Okay, that's a. Yeah. Oh my god, look at all the bunnies stacked up on the show. It's funny. Oh. Okay, what's up here? Is this the ranch? We're getting closer to the ranch. Cotton slime. Cotton pink slime. Yeah, it's this way, okay. We need to feed our slimes. With a lot of carrots. Hello everyone. There you go. Eat up, everyone. Oh, I need to watch these pink slimes out, right? I don't want them eating it and making tars. No. Everyone stay in there. Okay, just get these. Get these. I'll throw you guys over there. Here these tabby flutes and these cotton flutes. Okay, let's just get them. Need to get some of these upgrades. Okay. We've basically got. Oh no, we've got tars! No! Get away! Get away! Get away! Oh no, no, no! Get away! No! Ah, no! Away, away! Yeah, this is a problem. We need to get these pink slimes. Oh no. Oh, yeah, get away from my slimes. Oh no! No! No, not my bunnies! I need to throw them. We have to get the upgrades. Where did he go? He's here, he's here. Get away, get away. It's hurting my slimes. Stop. You gone? Is everyone okay? I think everyone's okay. We don't want any more. Okay. Right, I think everyone's alright. I think everyone's chilled. Okay, let's go down and see what we can unlock. I would like to get the first upgrade. Resource Harvester. Okay, I'm guessing this is for harvesting, utilities, warp tech, decorations. Okay. Okay, yeah, so we can get more. So we get dash boots, power core, armor core. Okay, we'll get the. Oh, we have to get. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's go and get 10 cotton floats. Right, oh, mice. Okay, well, there's some scattered about here. Give you guys. Oh, they only have. Oh, we don't have any veggies. Okay, we can build this. Can we build a garden? Let's build a garden. Yeah, let's build a garden. We can quickly go and get some carrots. Let's get rid of these pink slimes. Oh wow, they're not growing back yet, no. Okay, let's get these poker fruits. Hopefully we can find some carrots. Oh, is that a golden slime? Wait. Wait, what? I can't even remember what you do to get it. Oh, it's gone. Oh wow. Alright, at least we've got carrots. Right, at least we've got carrots. At least we've got carrots again. Can't believe that. My first golden slime and it's gone. Of course, of course. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to the ranch. Quickly. Oh, okay, yeah, it's cool. They're growing back. Right, we can get enough. We can get enough. We built a garden, shoot a fruit and veggie into the depositor to begin growing more of that type. Let's go. But I think that's going to take a whole day, and that's going to. Okay. Right, you guys have this. Take that. Okay, I don't want to make any more tars. Oh no, there's more! No. Stop. Please. It's hurting my slimes. I think the problem is with the pink slimes. Sorry, pink slimes. I have to get rid of you. Everyone eat starving tabby slime. I don't want them eating it. Oh, I need the plumes. Okay. I think we need 10, don't we? We need 10. Maybe there's hens. We need 10. Oh, sorry guys. Get away. No. Who's hungry? Are you hungry? Alright, so we're on. Okay, we're on 9. I bet there's no more. I bet we're literally 1 off. Yeah, we're 1 off. Okay, we're 1 off. Oh wait, no, we don't want this. Yeah, that's probably why the tars are. There's pink floats scattered about. Yeah, that's probably why there's tars. Let's get rid of that. Can I not? There we go. It's quickly deposit these. I don't think we're getting much, but there we go. We should be alright. We should be alright getting one more. Was that it? Oh yeah, we got one more. Great. Don't want that. Okay, let's go down. Get this upgrade. I'm guessing we can mine whatever that was, or that we saw the ore. Is it in here? Yeah, we put it in there. Okay. So the resource harvester. Alright, so oh wait, how much is it? 450 new blocks. Alright, let's quickly go and get 450. Should be that hard. Okay, we bit off. Can we feed? Oh, let's just feed a pink slime. Oh no, not another tar! What's up with all the tars? Get out of here. Okay. We got one. It should be enough. It should be just enough. Yeah, that was a gold plug. That's 360. Let's see, is that? Yeah, it's 360. Right, now can we buy it? Okay, yes. Can we? Yeah, there we go. Okay. So it shoots loose science resources from those in the environment. Let's see. So upgraded. That's the reason. Okay. Alright, so let's see what it is. I don't even know what that does. Let's see. Did it say what it did? I don't think it did. No, it's not going to tell me. Okay. Hopefully we all chill now. Hopefully there's no more tars. Right, we just want. Okay, let's go out and see. This is Victor Humphreys. Hello. Beatrix. Do you read me? Tested. Perhaps you are lost at sea, taken away by that mysterious boat, never to be. Oops, nope, just forgot to turn the display on. Nice to see your face again, Beatrix. I have missed you greatly, my dear friend. And while I'm quite excited for you to partake in a new adventure, I already have data that might complicate things. Last night I received a message for some sort of artificial intelligence program. It's written in code, but no one I recognise. I'm in the process of analysing it. But I am certain that this message was sent from you, where you are now, the mysterious Rainbow Island. So to recap, a mysterious boat takes you to a mysterious island, and I receive a mysterious code from said mysterious island. It all seems quite curious. Well, I've got work to do. You best get to exploring. Oh, I almost forgot. Take this home portal. It should make the early stages of your journey easier. Okay, a yellow home portal. Okay. Take care, Beatrix. We'll be in touch. Okay. Got some sort of teleporter. Okay. Are they eating? No. I'm gonna have to get. Sorry, pink slimes. I'm gonna have to get rid of the pink slimes. I'm sorry. Oh, there's more. Okay. Let's get these. Throw these in here. I want to go and see that phosphor Gordo. I'll have a quick check that out. We don't need pink explorers. Oh no, we'll sleep until day again, so everything resets and get our carrots. But hopefully, these guys are going to eat all my carrots. You watch. Sleep until morning. Day 3. Okay, don't eat my carrots. No. All my carrots. My carrots. My carrots. I don't want these pink slimes. They're gonna. Oh, okay. Right, let's just go and see if we can get that. Where was that phosphor? Let's see. Let's go this way. More pogo fruit. Wow, what is all this? Nice flowers. More cotton slimes. Okay, I believe the phosphor was like in a cave, wasn't it? I believe it was. More cotton, so let's get them. More carrots. Oh, yeah, I've got enough. I'm so used to having the upgrades from the last game. Okay, that's a refinery. Oh, might as well throw these in there, in case we need a late one. Okay. Okay, where was the phosphor slime? Is this a nice view up here? It was. God, this game, like, so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So happy to be playing this game again. I haven't played the last one in a while. I was waiting for a new one. So there's nothing else to do. There's some tabby slimes. We make a hens. Let's go this way. Where was the Gordo? Is it up here? No, it wasn't. I don't want to go in there. Maybe for next episode. We'll check that out. That does not look very nice. I feel like there's going to be some slimes that are going to attack me if I go that way. We have to get the jetpack. Okay, it's a refinery. Is it this way? Or was this? No, that took us out there. That's another log. Carrots. What's this? Is there anything? I think that's like, maybe we have to unlock it. It's like some teleporter. What's up here? Oh, there's a bunny Gordo up here. Okay. I will feed this one then. We'll feed this one. We'll feed this one. Feed on. Oh, this little one's taking on the thing. No, it's for the Gordo. We want to feed the Gordo. One more? Okay, we need... No, don't you dare, don't you dare. Okay, we need more carrots. More veggies. I bet there's no more, Is it... Oh, quick, get it! One carrot. Some fruit, nice fruit. Okay, please say this is enough. Oh no, we need more. No! Well, we need more carrots. Oh yeah, okay, that's right, we're good. We're good. Okay, let's see. Is this enough for you? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there we go. Let's see, right, so, okay. So, oh, okay. What's down here? Hey, what's this? Oh, okay, okay. What is down here? Okay, activate. Alright. What's that done? What's it done? Wow, what is happening? Okay, some sort of... Okay. Don't know what that did. Maybe if I go over there, see. If I can get over there. Wait, something glowing. Let's see. There's a lot of bunny slimes, but pink bunny slimes. Okay, let's go through here. What is this then? This is like a teleporter, I'm guessing. So what's this? Okay, what's this? We're going somewhere. What is this? Ooh. Starlight Strand. A vision of dusk and dawn together as one. Okay. This is a new area. Well, I think this is a new area. I'm going to end this one here. If you want to see more Slime Rancher 2, please subscribe for part 2 and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.